Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll be talking about how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's go to the screen. I will show you how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Now I will show you how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So here is some data. Here you can see sales agent division month and sales is all those data is here. Now we have to make a pivot table. First of all, you need to select this row, go to the data, and here is the filter. Click on it. The filtration arrows, like some arrows button is already here. Now we have to select all this table. Select this table, go to the insert, and here you can see the pivot table in the left side. Click on it. uh, you can see this. Now we have to select the pivot table location. The location will be existing worksheet. It means it will be in this worksheet, and existing worksheet and location is, you have to select the location here. I would like to select this here for pivot table. Click enter, and here you can see the pivot table. Now you have to pick up this sales agent. Pick it from here and keep it here. And again, division, if you would like to know the division result, then hold it and keep it here. Now you need to know sales amount. Click, keep it here. Now you can see the A, sales agent A has already sold in Chittagong, Dhaka and Khulna, and his sales amount is total 77. If you would like to know the sales amount in average, go here, and value field setting, go here, and you can see here is average thing. Click on it, hit enter. Now you can see the result in average, like 19.27. This is how actually pivot table works. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.